In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and use Chatbox in Microsoft Teams. If you're new to Microsoft Teams or just want a quick refresher, this is a very simple process once you know where to look. The chat box is where you can type and send direct messages, making it one of the most commonly used features in Teams for quick communication and collaboration. To begin, open Microsoft Teams and go to the chat section. This is the area where your conversations are stored, including one-on-one chats and group messages. Once you're in chat, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct conversation so your message goes to the right person or group. This is especially helpful if you have several chats open. Next, look toward the bottom of the chat window and click the Compose box. This is the message field where you enter your text. In most cases, it appears as a blank area or a text entry bar at the bottom of the selected conversation. Clicking inside this box activates it and gets it ready for typing. Now, type your message. You can enter a short reply, a question, or a longer message depending on what you need to communicate. As you type, keep your message clear and concise so it's easy for others to read and respond to. If you're sending something important, it can also help to quickly review your text for accuracy before sending it. That's really all there is to accessing and using the chat box in Microsoft Teams. The key thing to remember is that everything starts by going to chat, selecting the Compose box, and typing your message. Once you get comfortable with this basic flow, using Teams becomes much faster and more natural in day-to-day communication. A helpful tip is to always confirm you're in the correct chat before typing, especially if you switch between conversations often. This can help prevent messages from being sent to the wrong place. It's also a good habit to keep your wording professional and easy to understand, particularly in workplace or team settings. With just these simple actions, you can quickly connect with coworkers, classmates, or team members directly inside Microsoft Teams. It's a straightforward feature, but it plays a big role in keeping conversations organized and efficient. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to access and use the chat box in Microsoft Teams.